World of Tanks heat crashing, crash to desktop, crashes at startup, freezing on PC. My 1. Restart your PC, close the game completely, restart your computer, launch the game again, check if crashing issue is fixed. 2. Verify game files on Steam. Open Steam, go to Library, right-click World of Tanks Heat, select Properties, open installed files, click Verify integrity of game files. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the game shortcut, select Run as administrator, allow permissions if prompted, launch the game again. 4. Update graphics drivers. Press Windows X, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU, select Update Driver, restart your PC after update. 5. Disable overlay applications. Disable Steam overlay, turn off Discord overlay, disable Xbox Game Bar, close MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, relaunch the game. 6. Install DirectX and Visual C++. Download latest DirectX runtime, install Visual Plus redistributables, restart your PC, launch the game again. 7. Disable full screen optimization, right-click game executable, select Properties, open compatibility, check, disable full screen optimizations. Click Apply, lower graphics settings, open NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD software, restore default GPU settings, disable overclocking, lower in-game graphics settings. 9. Free up RAM and storage space. Close background applications, delete unnecessary files, open settings, storage, make enough free storage available, restart the game. 10. Reinstall the game. Uninstall World of Tanks, heat, restart your computer, reinstall the game from Steam, launch after installation completes.